Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. The jewel of the Pacific for investors. Los Muertos Beach, the most traditional and cosmopolitan beach in Puerto Vallarta. Villa Olivia is an investor's dream on the south side of the romantic zone, ready to be turned into a boutique hotel, B&B, corporate retreat, or a family building with income suites. Villa Olivia has 11 levels in total, 2 elevators. It comprises 21 large studios, 2 to 2 bedroom apartments, a large 2-bedroom penthouse, rooftop terrace with pool, bar area and covered sitting spaces, large kitchen, breakfast and dining area, reading lounge, professional laundry, gym, sauna and additional sundeck terrace. Gated upper parking. Villa Surprise has access from Highway 200 and from Amapas Street, also known as Santa Barbara Street. Villa Olivia is located just 1 block from Playa Los Muertos, Blue Chairs, and the Mantamar Beach Club. For more information about this excellent opportunity, please contact us today.